aka Science, is proud to bring you Storytime with Mr. Max. Today, we're going to be reading How to Hide a Butterfly and Other Insects by Ruth Heller. The butterfly that you see here just folds its wings to disappear. This moth will do a different thing. It covers up each underwing so all that anyone can see is the bark upon a tree. The inchworm's feet are at both ends. To move, it stretches and it bends. Then it performs a magic trick and imitates a twig or stick. The praying mantis likes to make a sound just like a hissing snake and spreads its wings to scare a foe. It somehow always seems to know it won't be seen when dining where the leaves are green. Grasshoppers leap, sometimes 3 feet, and what you thought that you just saw now looks more like a bit of straw. This fly you see looks like a bee, and thereby fools its enemy. But here's a clue I'll tell to you. Flies only have 1 pair of wings, while bees, you see, have 2. Spiders are not insects, as I'm sure you know, but this spider is a hider, and she's very, very slow to change herself to yellow and then to pink or white, depending on the flower that she decides is right, where she can wait to catch her prey and still be out of sight. Because the world is hostile, all creatures need protection. They need to hide so thoroughly that they defy detection. So, some of them use camouflage to fade away with ease from predators who like to dine upon these predatees. But predators to live must eat, so also fade and are discreet. And when their prey on which they sup can't see who's going to eat them up. We hope you enjoyed How to Hide a Butterfly and Other Insects by Ruth Heller. Thank you so much for joining me. This was Storytime with Mr. Max.